Install Elementor Pro plugin completely for free, so you can use all the best professional widgets for designing your beautiful website without wasting your money on Elementor Pro on a monthly basis. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Now first make sure to already have Elementor installed. On the left hand side, on plugins, click on add new plugin if you don't have Elementor. Search for Elementor. And as you can see, I already have it active. If you don't, just click on install and then activate, and you'll be ready to go. If you want to edit your home page, just select pages, all pages, and edit with Elementor. And on the left hand side, where all the widgets are, just scroll down. Basic are for Elementor, basic. And as you can see, we don't have access to Pro widgets, Elementor Pro. We can try drag and dropping to the container, and as you can see, it doesn't allow us. It says upgrade now. So basically it is asking you to pay on a monthly basis, but we are not going to do it. We are going to use it completely for free. So keep watching so you don't waste your hard-earned money on. Now here it says get Elementor Pro. Yes, we are going to get it, but completely for free. How are we going to do that? Come to this website, proelements.org. Free WordPress plugin that enables Pro features in the Elementor page builder with automatic updates. Download it to your PC. Back to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new plugin. On the top it says upload plugin. Just click on it. Select choose file. And from your downloads, select Pro Elements we just downloaded and open. Then click on install now. Plugin installed successfully, then click on activate plugin. And we have our Pro Elements ready to go. Now come to pages, all pages, select your home page if you want to edit your home page using Pro Elements, and click on edit with Elementor. Now scroll down to see Pro widgets, and as you can see, now we have access to all the Pro elements. You can use posts. Let's test it. Drag it to the container. You can display all your blog posts like this. Or you can display your portfolio pictures if you're maybe a photographer. You can use price table if you're maybe selling some digital product online. You can use PayPal button. And also you can use Stripe button. You can even use testimonials from your previous customers. For example, testimonial carousel. Or you can select reviews. These are basically the same for testimonials. You can choose your desired one. This one, testimonial carousel, appeals more to me because it is more eye-catching. And here you go, you can use all the best professional widgets to design your best website possible. Just play around and choose your best widgets to display your best website. Thanks for watching. Enjoy designing your beautiful website using the best professional widgets completely for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel.